Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to cut an Ankara double breast waistcoat with a lapel, and I would like to sit back and watch as I carry you on how to cut this waistcoat. Before I proceed, I would like to have a like from you on this video, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, look down below the video. You see a subscribe button, hit on that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to all so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Let us now proceed to work.
In drafting of these waistcoats, we need to know the measurement. The length is 27 inches, the chest is 45 inches, the tummy is 44 inches, the shoulder is 16 inches. We commence immediately with the drafting. So the first thing I have to do is to measure out 8 inches for the shoulder, starting from here. 8 inches. I will add 4 inches for the lapel overlap, or the folding of the lapel. I added 4 inches, and which will give us the total of 12 inches, 12.25 inches. I will mark the same 12.25 inches. I will join the points to get a straight line. Having done this, the next thing I'm going to do is to measure out the chest. The chest measurement is 45. If we divide 45 by 4, it will give us 11.25, which is 11 1/4. I mark 11 1/4, and I will add 3 inches. I add 3 inches for the overlap. I say it is double breast waistcoat. Add 3 inches for the overlap. I will measure from this point to here. It will give us 14.5 and 14.5. I push it down. I will also mark 14.5 or 14.5. So I will connect the points with a straight line. So I have something of this form. Then I will bring out 6 inches. This is 6 inches. I will bring out 6 inches, and I will bring it down. I will also connect these 6 inches to get a straight line. Then I will also bring out 2 inches. I will also connect it. So we have a total of 4 vertical lines here. And the next thing I'm going to do right now is that I'm going to connect the lapel. I'm going to connect the lapel for this jacket, then mark out the body. So how do I do the lapel? The length of it is total of 17 inches. I will mark 17 inches. So, and we connect this from here to here, it will go a kind of a slope way. I will use my French curve to do that from this point to here. So we give a kind of a little curve here. This will be for the lapel. And I will mark here. Here will be 3 inches, and here will be 3.5 inch because it will have a V form. That this I will connect the 2 points. Remember, we say that our length is 27 inches. We have the total of 28 inches. We have half inch at the up for the same allowance, half inch at the bottom for the same allowance. So we are good to go on this. So the next thing I'm going to do is to get the shoulder slope. The shoulder slope, I will make it 2 inches. These 2 inches, I will connect this. So I will mark the armhole depth. I will make it 6 inches. The depth of the armhole. I will use my French curve to connect it. So, and at this point, I will remove about 2 inches here. So I'm good to go. I will now cut it out. So I have something like this, and this is the lapel. This is the lapel of the waistcoat. So the next thing I will cut out will be the back facing, and we are going to use lining for the back. This is the lining we are going to make use of for the back. This is the way we trace the landing. Remember, the shoulder is 16 inches. 16 plus the seam allowance, it will be 17. So we mark here. We push the lining down and overlap it with 1/2 inches. The 1/2 inch overlap will be the seam or the sewing allowance. Still mark here, so see how it's going out. So this is good. And the chest, we said the chest is 45 inches and we have 1/2 inch seam allowance. Add the seam allowance. So I will connect this. And this is all about how to draft and cut Ankara double breast waistcoat with a lapel, just like the one you are seeing now. And please, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, look down below the video, it says subscribe button, hit on that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to also as to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to give me a like on this video. Thank you very much for watching and see you on my next video.